Good morning. I'm with
I'm
Language.
live.
Yes, good morning. I'm with Language Line Solutions. My name's Catherine. My ID number is. I'll be the sign language interpreter for y'all, and I'm proud to serve.
Perfect. I'm going to open court and then I'll swear you in.
Okay, is
The
the
14th.
deaf individual online?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, while you're doing that, I'm going to introduce myself to them if that's all right.
Perfect. The
Thank you.
14A District Court is now in session. All those having business before the court draw near. The Honorable Judge J. Cedric Simpson presiding. Madam Interpreter, if you could please raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear and affirm that you will interpret accurately, completely, and impartially, using your best skill and judgment, and to translate from American Sign Language into spoken English, and from spoken English into American Sign Language in the manner now before the court, so help you God.
I do.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, Madam Interpreter.
Good morning, Your Honor.
The court does call the case of Glencoe Hills versus Deja Jackson.
I'm here.
James Fink for the plaintiff, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, where are we on this case?
The balance is $2,968.17.
Yes, that is correct.
Ms. Jackson, how are you looking to try to get this paid?
Okay, I did call. I went to the Social Security office with a sign language interpreter there, and I explained to them that I'm no longer working because I had to have surgery, as you can see with the scarring on my hand. And Social Security entered that information in their computer, and they said it's still pending and in process. So I'm still waiting for them to have that done. And I explained to them it was very imperative that this be done because I needed to pay the rent. And the local Social Security office explained that it wasn't on them. They were waiting for the federal level of Social Security to get things taken care of. So that way I can pay my back rent for August and September.
Ms. Jackson, have you been approved for benefits?
For Social Security benefits, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, I have been approved. I'm just waiting for them to complete their process. They said it would take approximately 120 days, but it's at this point has already passed that timeline. And I've already called into them 3 times.
And so you're in essence waiting for them to write a check to you.
Correct. Correct.
Mr. Fink, what do you suggest we do? She's waiting for the federal government probably to pay back benefits as well as start her current benefits.
Your Honor, we can't wait indefinitely. And we're also not unsympathetic to Ms. Jackson's situation. And of course, in 2 weeks, there will be 1 more month rent due. If we could have a redemption date of 17 or 21 days, that would give her time to run it down. I would suggest she contact Congresswoman Dingell's office for assistance. And perhaps she can get some emergency assistance from barrier busters or someplace in the meantime.
Do you mean HAWC? Are you referring to that?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, okay. To let you know, I did contact them several, like 4 times, and have been in discussions with them. And I do have an appointment scheduled with them on the 20th of this month for, what is it? Let me see. Laura on September 20th at 9:10 in the morning.
Your Honor, I see Miss Amy's here.
So my understanding is Ann Arbor City is out of money. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I am going to, over the objection of plaintiff, I'm going to adjourn this to September 29th, 2023, 9 a.m. We will see where you are at that point. We'll see where you are at that point with Ms. Jackson, with Social Security, and then we'll figure out how we're going to proceed from here.
Okay, so I just want to clarify, September the 29th, call in again for court, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what meeting number ID, do I use the same one, the 642-883-0452? Or is there the other one that was just recently shared, 462-439? I'm sorry, her fingers went out of the screen. Which essentially, which login do I use?
The one that you used today.
Okay, very good. At 9 a.m. May
Yes,
I ask? Sorry to interrupt. May I ask? And so that's in approximately 2 weeks. The rent will go up?
Well, that's 2 weeks, and that will be before your next rent is due.
I see. I see. Okay. Okay. I will do my best, and I will contact HAWC again today and DHHS. And because like I said, I have that appointment on the 20th with them and see what they say.
Very good. Thank you.
That's all? Are we done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hopefully I don't get evicted. And so, if Social Security doesn't come through for me by the 29th, what do I do? I'm really worried. I'm really, really worried.
Okay, ma'am, I'm not taking any action on anything today, so you don't have to worry about anything. We'll talk again on the 29th.
Okay. Okay.
Your Honor,
Okay.
I'd just like to reiterate that she should try to contact her congresswoman.
Okay. I will do that. I will. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Interpreter.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you for using our services. May I be
Yes.
excused?
Yes, ma'am.